Good evening, all. I'm Ishani and I'm from third year BTech CSE. Now, let's learn about clustering of data using K means and clustering techniques. So, the main objective is to perform K means clustering on a given dataset in order to group the data points into meaningful clusters based on similarity and analyze the result using performance metrics and visualizations. So, clustering is an unsupervised machine learning technique that groups similar data points together without using predefined labels. So, the works are as follows. Choose the number of cluster, that is k, and randomly initialize k cluster centroids. Assign each data point to the nearest centroid based on Euclidean distance and update the centroids as the mean of the data points assigned to each cluster. Repeat step 3 and step 4 until the centroids stabilize. So, in this experiment, we use application income and loan amount as features to cluster loan application into groups with similar financial profiles. So here we learn about elbow method that it is applied to determine the optimal number of clusters by plotting within cluster sum of squares against different k values. So first, import the libraries, import pandas, matplotlib.pyplot to visualize your data. And K means it is the algorithm for clustering. And the next one is for evaluation metrics. And the standard scalar is used to scale data because income and loan values are in different ranges. So step 1 is to load your data set and use only the required columns. Here the required columns are applicant income and loan amount. So we use only those two columns. And the next one is scaling. So it ensures both features, that is income and loan amount, have the same importance. For example, applicant income might be in thousands while loan amount in hundreds. So without scaling, clustering would be biased towards income. WCSS square brackets within cluster sum of squares. So inertia is how compact the clusters are. So loop from k is equal to 1 to 10 trains k means for each k that saves the WCSS values in a list. Now plots WCSS versus k, the elbow point where curve bends best value of k. And step 3 is to fit k means with optimal k. Choose based on elbow plot. Optimal k equal to 3. For example, replace your chosen value. So suppose the elbow method shows k equal to 3, so we use 3 clusters. Fit predict. That trains the model and assigns a cluster number 0, 1, 2, for example, to each applicant. So X cluster is equal to clusters. They add the cluster number back into the data set. So that is useful for analysis. And now display the cluster centroids. That is centroids is equal to scalar dot inverse transform. So K means centroids are in scaled form. So we inverse transform them to get actual income and loan values. So it prints out the average profile for each cluster. Step 4 is to visualize clusters. Scatter plot for applicants and it is colored by cluster. Red X marks shows the cluster centroids. So this helps visualize how applicants are grouped. The next one is to compare different k values. So trains k means with different k values such as 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. For each k, the Silhouette score that measures how well separated clusters are closer to 1 is better. So Dewey's Baldwin score is lower, but it is better cluster. So the next one is to create performance table. So it stores the result in the table format, and it is easy to compare different k values and confirm the best one. So in summary, we learned about elbow method, that is finds the best k. K means clustering, assigns the clusters. Visualization shows applicant groups. Evaluation metrics confirms the best clustering result. Thank you.